everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work on this brisk winter morning. It isn't winter yet, but it sure feels like it. So we got dumped on the other night, and now the elevator's back open, so we just sent out the first truck. We're up at Dad's last farm, and all of this is going down to the grain elevator, or at least most of it, to fill the rest of Dad's forward contracts. So we just sent out the first truck, and now it's just kind of the waiting game, hoping that nothing else goes wrong. The snow does make it rather slippery, but as long as there isn't a lot of snow on the corn stalks themselves, it really isn't that big of a deal to harvest in the snow, other than the slip issues like the truck had when he pulled in. He backed in and he went off the driveway a little bit and he slid down into the field, so he had to kind of, after we put a little bit of a load on the front so he had some weight on his tires, he kind of gave it some gas and got it out, and he swung around, pulled back in, and then got lined up on the driveway right, and then we finished filling him. So Travis is in the 82. He is heading down. Just decided to try to stick with Dad, and hopefully we can get this farm done today. Well, we're up at Dad's last farm, and in an effort to get done, since we've already loaded the other semis for the night, we're gonna fit what's left of this farm on Big Red. So Mom and I brought her up. We're sitting up here in the driveway. We're waiting for them to finish the bottom down there, and we actually knocked this out in pretty good time. And yeah, I'm just out here checking everything over to make sure that the lights are still working good and everything. Seems like they are. Almost got him.
You had the guard done?
Nope. This truck's taking out one of them though.
When we had drivers at school, we had to drive cars at this mock drive thing.
Yeah.
And there was always one
Manual.
and I avoided it like the plague.
I drove Mitchell's car. It's a manual. It's a lot easier than this thing. This thing's like 10 times harder easy.
Dad tried to get me to do one of those pickups once at Rumby's.
Yeah.
But, you know, because he considered buying a manual there for a pickup, and it's like, why? Why would we do that if we can have a manual?
Yeah.
Or a regular?
Travis and Dad are out feeding the cattle out in the barnyard of Bale. I just plugged in the 82 and 4640. So Travis got a little curious, and he found out that he could get an adapter for the block heater for the 82. So we went ahead and installed that. So we have always had issues with the 82 starting. And this will just make it a little bit easier to get it started, especially where we have access to plugins, because sometimes we go to start the tractor up and it starts to turn over, but it just doesn't. So anyway, with that, I think I'll let you all go. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out all of our other ones. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all how farms work. And this should be our second to last harvesting video, so stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.